This is a short video on how to add paper documents into Ferret. Once again, I've got a split screen here. There are basically two ways to add paper into Ferret. If you are not dealing with large volumes of paper, the simplest way is to take the paper document to your photocopier, scan to email to yourself, come back to your desk, save the attachment from the email you just sent yourself from the machine. Now that's only suitable for small volumes of paper. If you're dealing with large volumes of paper, then you'll need to use the barcode indexing system that is part of the Ferret package. Here's an example of a scanned document. You'll notice down here in the middle is a barcode, TR000131. So if you're using the barcoding system, each person that loads paper into Ferret will have a roll of barcode labels, pre-printed barcode labels, each label being a unique number. There's no data in it, it's just a unique ID, nothing more. The first step is you want to add this paper document into Ferret. You peel off a label, stick it anywhere on the first page, just not too close to the edge, and then index that document into Ferret. So you go to the file you want to save it to. So I want to go put this into Bob's file. Found Bob, expand my view. I right click anywhere in the doc table section and click add, or I can click the plus sign over here on the top right. The same window that we saw before pops up. It defaults to today's date, but the paper document's date is what's important. So this document might be several days old. You now input the file name, which is the barcode number. So you input the barcode number into the file name field. If you're doing large volumes of paper, you can use a little infrared handheld gun to input that number. Fill out the detail here and doc type, and again, this is your drop down list. So what is this? And I click save. And now it's referenced in here. However, you'll notice on the far left it's got an X, meaning it's not available because you haven't scanned it yet. So step one is you first have to reference it into Ferret with the barcode number and any other indexing details you want, and then scan it. If you scan it first, then Ferret doesn't know where to put it. So step two is you or somebody else can pick up that document together with all the other documents that have been referenced into Ferret that day, take them to any scanning machine of any brand or model, and scan the whole lot in one hit. Not one at a time, one bang. The scanning machine is set to scan to a directory on your network. There is another application of ours called Scan Watcher, which runs as a service. You don't touch it once it's set up and running. It's watching that incoming folder the scanning machine is sending the images to. As soon as those images arrive, ScanWatcher picks them up, reads the entire image, finds your barcode, and you'll notice there are other barcodes here. It will automatically ignore those because it is programmed to only look for yours. It then uses that barcode to separate each document from each other. If there was no barcode on page 2, it appends that page 2 to the first page because it was a 2-page document. You only put a barcode on the first page of a document, not every page. And because you've already put that barcode number into Ferret, it knows exactly where to save it to and automatically saves it to that file and automatically removes the X and makes it available. You then can, step 3, come in here, search for it, and open the image, which would be that.